Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing great today. So right now I just wanted to do my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. This is a great box. I already opened it, but I just wanted to share it with you guys, show you guys all the goodies this month. And I just wanted to quickly, before I get into the video, I am wearing the J Styles lashes in the style Diana. This is what they look like. So I got closer so you guys can see. This is what they look like. They're super fluffy. These lashes you can wear up to 20 times. They're 3D mink lashes and they're handmade. Guys, these lashes are hands down like the best sellers that I have and everybody loves them. Go online at jayslife.org and you can get yours. And here we go, just wanted to mention that. We're gonna go ahead and start opening the box. So Natasha Denona was in this box. She did a 25% off of all of her stuff and she has like her code and her website on there. And then this is just what it looks like. Look at this fall heart. Oh, I love it. Me and the kids just did pictures. Oh my, I'm kind of matched today. And the first thing, I just had to go there. I'm going there because this is so beautiful. Okay, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, let me open it. Look at this, look at the packaging though, like literally. Oh my God, look, I need to swatch this because it's just too. Oh girl, yeah, look at the colors. Oh, I will be wearing this. Oh my God, I don't even want to touch the other ones. It just looks so beautiful. That is the first one. Oh, it's like magnetic, look. I love it. Okay, so this is Natasha Denona Peak Palette. 5-pound palette. These are the essentials. This retails for $48, guys. This is, oh, I cannot wait to use this. Okay, so the next thing is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth. It's red algae and plant stem cells. This is just, oh, it says to balance the skin's pH and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. So obviously you'd want to wash your face first and then you go ahead and put your moisturizer on. This is kind of part of your nightly regimen. Good for wrinkles, girls. If you're not working on your wrinkles now, you will have them when you get older. So be careful. Ooh, this smells good. No, it does smell good. Let's see, let's just see, this is really oily. No, I'm gonna try it, but this kind of stuff I have to be careful because I will break out with anything that's too oily. So I just kind of, I try to steer clear. This feels really oily. I don't know. It might be good, it might not. This retails for $48 also. And then we have Lip Enhancer by Gior Cosmetics. Infused with good-for-you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements, which providing lasting hydration. Okay, this is $17. So let's smell it. Okay, it's just clear. Oh. It doesn't really smell like anything, so I don't know, but it's clear. I don't know. Let's see. Let's put some on. Regular. Got a pretty little sheen to it though. Okay. And then we have this INT Cosmetics Lip Oil. This is the perfect product for those who want hydration and moisture. This is $11. So, do I want to open this? Oh God, we're having a mess. Okay. It smells good. This is just like very sticky. I'll probably use this a lot. Just full, like, you know, the same tube, just that clear sheen. This is actually probably gonna be really nice, but it's a little sticky. I like something that I can like, you know, and it's not like sticking to, I don't know. Anyway, that's $11. And then we have the Bodyography Eye Pencil Duo. So 2 pencils came in, 1 brown, 1 black. And I'm excited to try these because I've been looking for a good pencil. Let's see what we have here. Okay. That's the brown. It's called black walnut, and this one is called onyx, and then this is the black one. Okay. Well, let's see, smear test. They smear. Well, what can you say? Hopefully they're good. These retail for $16. It says these super smooth coconut oil infused pencils glide on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. Okay, so these are good for smudging, it says. Okay, so I'm gonna try it in the waterline because I like to put my lashes on, then I like to add black just on the top. That is the Boxycharm box. Remember, you get 5 items for $25, all full-size items. Really, really good. I go hard for Boxycharm. You guys know that. I love it. Don't forget to get on my website to get your lashes or your barber shirts. Right now, I have another shirt coming out soon. This one's gonna be for the barberettes. Woo, woo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everybody have a blessed night. It's nighttime right now. I just got off work. Sorry, I'm ranting. Don't forget to use the code JStyles at checkout for free shipping. Okay, guys, that's on all of your products. Mix and match. Do not forget to use that code. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.